yeah, Chief. I love my black. I love my black. Guess who black?
What's going on? We out here in McKinney, Texas today working on a Mazda 6. It's going to be getting front and rear brakes and an oil change. I'll start with topping off all the regular fluids first. And the oil change is pretty simple. Just got to lift it up. It's going to be a 17 millimeter for the drain bolt. It holds 4.8 quarts of 0W20 and the oil filter is a 7317 or a 6609. Perfect. For the rear brakes, you need a specialty tool to rotate the piston while compressing it. That's the only way it's going to allow you to make room for the new pads. If you can't find that tool, I've seen people use a big pair of pliers and some towels to go around it so they don't damage their boot. And this is how they should look afterwards. Make sure you pump those brakes to get that fluid back in the lines. And then by going on the infotainment center, you just go to the vehicle settings and then maintenance, and it should allow you to reset the oil. And we're good to go. On to the next repair. All right, now we on to the next one. Pretty smooth day. I think now we are heading to Irving, Texas.